Good afternoon, children. Welcome to EVS session. Open the page number 140. Here, how does air get impure when the factory smoke or burning gases or firing crackers on the some occasions? Then air will get dirty. So we have to plant the more trees because the fresh air will get. So the air will not get dirty. So the air must should be get impure. So how does word pollution means how does the word pollution when we whatever it is air or water take that the when we throw a garbage into river, that lakes and ponds and all the dustbins throw in the garbage all to the water body, then the automatically water will get dirty. So the air also, how the burning on the fire, burning crackers or that was smoke and the factory smoke and the vehicle smoke, then of course the air will get dirty. That is the word that pollution. What do you mean by pollution? Already in last classes I already discussed about what you mean by pollution. Are you read that the word pollution means, children? Already I given the this uh, answer that already I given. So the pollution means the whatever the things we are doing, the that all garbage things or any dust or the smoke or the other gases from the factory, and by burning the garbage are mixed with the air or it gets dirty. So when the people also bath, wash clothes and bathing their animals near a pond, lake or river, automatically water gets dirty. So that is only the pollution. So in short, pollution means making air or water or a soil dirty by adding some poisonous matters. Understood? What you mean by what does the word pollution means? When the dust or a smoke and other gases from the factory or and by burning the garbage are mixed with the air or it gets dirty, this is called on air pollution. That is air pollution. When people bath, wash clothes and bath their animals near a pond, lake or river, its water gets dirty. This is called a water pollution. In short, pollution means making air, water and soil dirty by adding poisonous matters. Understood? Next, in yesterday class, some question they are asked you, what is a soil, what is the soil is very why for the soil is very important. That is soil is very important because it helps to plants to grow. So plants absorb the water and minerals so from the soil. So we eat plants to survive. So animals also eat the plants to survive. We also depend upon the plants. So we use soil to make different things like bricks, pot, tiles, etc. That is called a soil is very important. So even also we have to not polluted the soil also. You should protect the water, air, soil. So how much we are saving this all, that much they give the back to the people, that nature, because soil is very important. Understood? Does the word pollution means? When the dust, smoke or other particles will throw on the garbage on the water bodies or other from the factory or smoke, whatever the burning garbage or the smoke that mixed with the air, that automatically air or water gets dirty. Understood? Next, where do you live? I live on, they given the option for you, that is hill, plain, seaside. Name a natural feature. I live on a hill. No. I live on a plain. Yes. I live on a seaside. No. Yes, because hills are the much higher than the mountain, so we can't stay there. Plain means a soft plain, we can grow the crops and all, the plants and trees we can grow. That is plain. So seaside means we can't stay the seaside because there is a water is very salty. Many proportions are there on the that to sea water, so we can't stay with the seaside. So we are living on a plain. So where would you like to go for a holiday and why? You have to, where would you go to like to holiday you are going by maybe you are going to Goa. Then where would you going? Why for the going for that place? Only because there is a most beautiful beaches are there, the weather conditions are very good, there is a food is very spicy because seafoods are we can get, and very there we will do lot of enjoying on the Goa. So that is our my uh, like what is your like, which place you would like to go, you have to mention and write why you go to that place. Understood? Yes, tomorrow we'll go for the next. Okay, bye children.